How to download and install the Spotify app.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to walk through how to download and install the Spotify app on your device. We will guide you through each step to make this process as simple and quick as possible. So, let's get started.
Is your device compatible?
Before we start, make sure your device is compatible with the Spotify app. You need to have, for Android devices, you need Android version 4.1 or above. For iOS devices, iPhone, iPad, you need iOS version 12.0 or above. For Windows, you need Windows 10 version 16.07 or above. For macOS, you need macOS version 10.10 or above.
Where to download the Spotify app?
The Spotify app can be downloaded from various platforms depending on your device. For Android, the Spotify app can be found in the Google Play Store. For iOS, iPhone, iPad, the Spotify app can be found in the App Store. For Windows, Mac, the Spotify app can be found on the official Spotify website.
How to download the Spotify app.
Now, let's go through the process of downloading the Spotify app. For Android, 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. 2. In the search bar at the top, type Spotify and press search. 3. Find the Spotify app from the search results and tap on it. 4. Tap the Install button. For iOS, iPhone, iPad, 1. Open the App Store on your device. 2. In the search bar at the top, type Spotify and press search. 3. Find the Spotify app from the search results and tap on it. 4. Tap the Get button. For Windows, Mac, 1. Open your browser and visit the Spotify official website. 2. Look for the Download button and click on it. 3. The file will start downloading. Wait for it to finish.
How to install the Spotify app.
After downloading the app, let's move to the installation process. For Android, iOS, iPhone, iPad, 1. After downloading, the Spotify app will be automatically installed on your device. 2. Once installed, you will see the Spotify app icon on your device's home screen. For Windows, Mac, 1. After the file has been downloaded, located on your computer, usually found in the Downloads folder. 2. Double-click the file to start the installation process. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions until the installation process is completed. 4. Once completed, you will see the Spotify app icon on your desktop. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Spotify app on your device. Now, you can start enjoying your favorite music and podcasts. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others. Happy listening!